Nous voilà pour le 5e épisode de The Wolf Among Us. Dit comme ça fait pas crédible. On va aller voir un petit peu les extras, tiens, tant qu'on est là. Le livre des fables. Ah, j'ai pas tout débloqué. Saman Kikin. Saman Kikin. C'est quoi ça? Les balles en argent, oui. Une adjointe active. Le diable de Jersey. Il est vraiment moche, lui. L'âge du bûcheron. Joanne le boucher. L'argent de Barbe Bleue. Le QG du tordu. Et le tordu lui-même. Renéma. Et la vie à la ferme. Donc qu'est-ce qu'on a débloqué d'autre? Les choix du joueur. Tiens, ça c'est sympa à voir. Alors, 15%. On lui a donné l'argent. 59% n'ont pas dit ont dit qu'ils n'ont pas vu la bête. Ouais. 69% ont aidé le crapaud avant le prince Laurence. Ouais. Eh, 4% seulement le prince Laurence est mort. Et moi, il est mort, le prince Laurence. Voilà, 68%, arrêtez le twiddle. 60% ont sympathisé avec lui, 37% l'ont forcé à parler, 91% ouais, 30% ont tapé Georgie, 77% pour ne pas taper la bête en second temps, 80% n'ont pas interrompu Snow. Là, c'est pas mal de voir tout ce que les joueurs ils ont fait. Et 96% ont offert un job. Normal. Tu vois, 80% n'ont pas brûlé l'arbre. C'est bon ça. 44 ont tué Tweedledum. Ouais. « 43% ont fumé une cigarette. Pas mal, pas mal. Je trouve ça pas mal. Les succès. Terminer chapitre 1, épisode 4, chapitre 2, épisode 4, chapitre 3, épisode 4, chapitre 4, épisode 4. Terminer chapitre 5, épisode 4. Terminer l'épisode 4 déguisé en agneau. Et tous vécurent heureux. Ok, heureux. Débloquer toutes les entrées du livre des fables. J'ai pas débloqué les entrées. Et ça, c'est pour l'épisode 5. J'ai pas mal de succès, je n'ai pas encore fait. Hein. Bizarre. Donc, on va retourner au jeu. Ouais, on est parti pour l'épisode 5. Crier au loup. Aouh. Je sais, je suis devenue barge. Désolée. On est parti voir. Alors là, on est atterri dans le QG du tordu. On a vu qu'il y avait tout le monde. Il y avait Georgie, il y avait Jersey, il y avait le frère de Dom, vu qu'on l'a tué Dom.
I mean, your eyes and the teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Et c'est le dernier épisode, en effet, Shoryuku.
Not if I can avoid it.
A plus dans le bus.
No.
Et un petit résumé des épisodes précédents.
Holly's sister, Lily.
Do you even give a shit about us? The strays?
That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
Ma lips.
We're destroying the tree. No!
No.
We're not burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
I don't know. Snow will come around. She's just... the crane thing hit her hard, and she doesn't really know who her friends are right now.
Oh God, Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial.
Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Ah. À votre avis, je vais réussir à le ramener vivant ou pas? Déjà, est-ce que vous voulez le ramener vivant? Il est 11 h, je commence à bafouiller, c'est pas bon. Telle est la question, chou, hein? T'as pas confiance? De quoi t'as pas confiance? Dis-moi tout. Vas-y. Laisse-le crever dans une ruelle. Non, faut savoir, parce que j'ai promis à Blanche de le ramener vivant. Mais est-ce que vraiment vous allez me le faire ramener vivant? Telle est la question.
You've come a long way. You must be tired. And if my envoys are correct, you haven't had a lot of
Pourquoi tu
rest
commences déjà à
recently.
sortir ton flingue, toi? Espèce de casse-burne.
Please, Sheriff, relax for a moment, will you?
Il me demande de me détendre
Want a
alors que
drink?
l'autre il a sorti son
Something
flingue,
to
quoi.
eat.
Sérieusement.
Vivian makes a very nice, very... It's elegant.
Ouais, je suis ici
Really,
pour
a
une raison. mon
carpaccio.
gars.
It's
Fais pas
lobster.
chier avec ta bouffe.
Sirloin.
I'm here for one reason, and it's not to eat your fucking food.
Really?
Yeah.
Gaspillage
What do
de
you think
clope.
you're doing?
He's gonna...
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver.
Déjà, il me paraît louche le tordu là.
Sit down, Jersey. Well, Sheriff, for the sake of transparency, why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle everyone's nerves, I think.
On va lui dire quoi alors? Qu'il a tué les femmes, qu'il a détruit la ville ou qu'il a essayé de me tuer. Je serais bien tenté de lui dire qu'il détruit la ville. En même temps, c'est vrai qu'il a essayé de me tuer. Si c'est bien lui... oui, bah si, c'était lui, parce qu'on avait vu sa main à travers la vitre de la voiture. Il a arrêté Bloody Mary avant qu'elle le fasse. Vous en pensez quoi? Vous détruisez cette ville. Moi, je serais bien tenté de lui dire ça. À vous de me dire. Parce que si on suit le raisonnement de Bigby, il a toutes les fables de son côté, le tordu. C'est lui qui est en train de faire que ça se bastonne de tous les côtés. Ouais, je vais lui dire qu'il détruit cette ville, je pense. Ouais, je vais faire ça. Alors désolé si vous aviez choisi autre chose.
You're destroying this town. You've been doing it for ages.
Destroying this town? What on earth do you mean?
What the hell do you think I mean? Slavery, kidnapping, extortion, murder? What would you call the wholesale corruption of Fabletown?
I would call it the baseless accusation of a desperate sheriff. How are you certain this isn't some conspiracy against me? I'm a well-connected man, well-moneyed. People do like to take
Qui
their
ferait
shots
ça,
at me.
mon gars?
Who would
Vas-y.
try to pull that on you?
Oh, I don't know. Fables with a grudge. People who want a stake in my shops and services. But I can understand the confusion, and I'm truly sorry about the trouble all this has caused you. And I hope you believe me when I say, Sheriff, that I sincerely mean to make it up to you. The recent murders that have gotten such attention as of late, I don't relish telling you that they were perpetrated by an employee of mine. It's a very unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with internally. I just want to settle the issue for you, and to assure
Qui est le
you that it's
coupable?
over with.
An unfortunate bit of business. You're gonna tell me right now who killed him.
Sheriff, I have complete respect for you and your job. I hope you know that. But I simply can't divulge that information. You really shouldn't worry yourself. As I said, I've got this under control.
No, I'm gonna deal with it right now.
Yeah, right. What do you think this is? Some kind of negotiation?
J'ai tué ton frère, alors tais-toi.
The man said he'd take care of it. So why don't you take the hint and get out?
Tweedledee, please.
Tu me gonfles.
I'm already pissed off. You don't want to make it worse.
Oh, I think I do. I'd love a good reason to put a bullet between your eyes after what you did!
That's enough! I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but in the interest of preserving our alliance, if you have to know, it was Georgie.
C'est Georgie qui les a tués.
However,
Là.
like I said, I'd be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Georgie.
You got what you wanted, so just...
Sit down. Now.
Yeah, I killed him, so what? You should have just kept your nose where it
Pourquoi t'as
fucking
fait
belonged.
ça, mon gars?
Why'd you do it? Why kill them?
Does it matter?
Look, the fact is, George here misinterpreted one of my instructions.
Misinterpreted?
And I want to make things right. So, let's work
On
something
va pas
out.
taper tout de suite.
What's there to work out? I'm
On va
protected,
taper
aren't I?
après.
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours. That you could murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this.
And
You
then
told me
attempt
to
to
kill
blame
him.
me for it. You will be silent while we discuss what to do with you.
This is right bollocks, this. You're just gonna let him do this?
So what do you say, Sheriff? Can we discuss terms? You can have Georgie. Consider it a gift, ensuring our continued cooperation.
What the hell?
I think I'll be taking both of you.
You're not taking me, you fucking ponce. What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us.
For minor infractions, not murder.
Just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like
You
that?
think I give a fuck if I'm the one? Who the shit do you think you fuckers are?
Get the fuck out of
I
here!
do apologize, Sheriff, but I think it's best if you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him. Are you kidding me?
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
You can go join that whore at the bottom of the lake for all I give a shit. But he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you
non,
before
c'est
I
bon,
let that
t'inquiète
shit
pas.
happen.
What are you saying?
I
J'ai pas
already
besoin d'aller
told
voir.
you. I'm taking both of you in, so let's go.
Elle est censée dormir à cette
This
heure-ci,
could have
donc
gone
elle va
so
aller se
well.
coucher. T'inquiète pas pour ça.
To speak the truth, I've never been a very good mediator. Why negotiate when you can just decide?
Bloody Mary. Bonjour.
Did I miss anything good? Well, look at you, all fixed up.
Mais je vais quand même aller voir parce que madame est en train de pleurer et de taper dans les meubles. J'arrive tout de suite. Je suis désolée, comme on dit, les aléas du live, hein, du direct, voilà. On va essayer de faire au mieux, mais heureusement j'ai arrêté avant que les choses ne se gâtent, parce qu'il y a l'air que ça va se gâter pour Big B. Et comment ça se transforme? Comme ça. Twiddle. Dégage.
Over here.
Oh.
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
Toi, dégage. No.
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Ah, lâche-moi. Oh, je t'ai ouvert le bide.
Oh god.
This way.
Casse-toi. Tiens. Bon, c'était pas marrant, y a pas eu beaucoup de bastons.
Come on, Georgie.
Oh, shit.
I know.
Reste là. Reste là. Espèce de violente. Mais non, je suis pas violente. gauche, droite, en haut. Allez. Ah, qu'est-ce que ça me stresse les QT. Saute. Sur la voiture.
Fuck! What was that?
Merde. J'aurais dû arrêter le tordu.
Take him off!
I can't.
Allez, reste accroché. Reste accroché, je te dis. Oh. Elle m'a éjecté la garce. Bonjour.
Gun it!
Are you sure?
Do it!
He's not moving.
Keep going!
Come on.
Right. Fuck it!
Mais bon, j'ai réussi à les suivre. J'aurais peut-être dû suivre le tordu à la place, mais j'ai réussi quand même à suivre. Eux d'abord. Tiens, on va regarder. Bon, ça, je sais que c'est du sang, hein. Examiner sang, mais je sais que c'est du sang.
Holy shit.
Il en perd beaucoup, je l'ai bien ouvert. Hein. Je l'ai bien éventré, le monsieur. J'ai cassé la belle voiture. Oh mon dieu. Merde, qu'est-ce que je fais? On ouvre la porte.
Come on. We can't stay here.
Hang on. I need a minute.
Okay.
Belle voiture égale diamant.
Stand
C'est
up.
ça.
It's okay. Take your time.
Argent.
Slowly.
Oh, it's no fucking use. No way I'm walking out of here. Well, it won't be your fault. It'll all
Ah,
land on me
elle
in
est
the end.
vinole.
Here. It's gonna be okay.
Allez, j'entre.
Shit. Hello, Bigby.
Hello, Big
I hoped you'd come to your senses. Crooked Man's the one you want. But of course, you're too much of an idiot to see that. Or maybe you just like me
Viens
too
avec
much
moi.
to let me go.
I'm taking you in, Georgie. Let's go.
Je vais rien dire,
You
je vais
gonna
en
carry
prendre
me?
une sinon.
Please, Sheriff. Haven't you done enough? Look at him.
Pourquoi tu
He's
le protèges?
dying.
Can't seriously want to protect this guy. You know what he did.
Faut pas taper chou.
I'm not going anywhere. It isn't his fault.
He's a murderer. Faith and Lily, he's the reason they're dead.
C'est normal.
Look,
Si
I
Chou,
know
il est
he
comme
made
ça.
a few
C'est un
mistakes.
homme.
We all have.
What?
He made sure they couldn't talk with
faire
those
autrement.
damn ribbons, and then he killed them. You're wearing one yourself. Doesn't that bother you even a little, knowing that man murdered...
Of course it does. Those girls.
So
are
it's
like-
all my fucking fault then?
I
You
didn't mean-
fucking...
Les femmes, c'est que l'argent qu'elles
You're
kiffent
gonna
ou
throw
pas,
it to the fucking
sur les
wolf too? You know I didn't have a goddamn choice. What the fuck? I did what I had to!
J'héberge et je suis
You
bête.
can't fucking blame me for that.
Look.
Pourquoi t'as fait
Sometimes you
ça?
just have to do what you're told.
Il
Why'd
m'énerve,
you
Georgie,
do
là.
it then, huh? If it's not your fault, then what the fuck happened?
Look, Faith and the others tried to pull a run on us. And as you can imagine, the Crooked Man wasn't too thrilled. But of course, the big boss didn't want to get his fucking hands dirty. So he told me to take care of it.
Mais bien sûr,
You think I
Charlie.
don't know what that means? Either I do what he says or I'm the one getting dealt with. So I fucking killed him. And I'd do it again. 'Cause it's not my fault. The Crooked Man gave the order. He told me to kill them. And then he fucking sold me out.
That's not
pas mon
my
problème.
problem.
C'est toi qui les as tués.
I get it. When a pretty little girl shows up at your door wanting help, you've got all the time in the world. But when I've got something to say, it's not your problem. Well, fuck you. Go ahead and arrest me then. But it won't bring back Lily or Faith. It won't free your friend Narissa. And I'm just the sap taking the fall for the whole thing. It must be so easy being you. Just come in here and blame me for all this shit. Job's done, right? George is the bad guy. It's all his fucking fault. But what was I supposed to do? You don't know what it's like, Bigby. How could you know?
You could have done
les laisser
anything else. You
partir.
could have let them go. You could have freed Faith and Lily from those fucking ribbons instead of murdering them.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. If I freed them... What would you have me do? Kill her?
Georgie, don't.
It was them or Vivian. So you tell me, if freeing Lily meant she had to die, do you still think I had a fucking choice?
What are you doing?
I told you.
What are you talking about?
This is the original. The girl with the ribbon. I'm sure you've heard the stories. Couldn't take it off, couldn't talk about it. She used her little purple ribbon to make more of them. To keep our girls quiet. To ensure absolute discretion.
You promised you wouldn't.
All that magic is connected to this little thing. You remove hers, and the spell's broken. They're all free. But you know what happens to her? The same thing that happened to Faith. So don't you come in here and tell me I fucked up.
What the hell, Georgie? We were supposed to look out for each other. I trusted you.
You can't fucking blame me. You're not innocent here either.
I know that. But did it have to be like this? You sold me out.
Welcome to the club, then.
You have to understand, nobody was supposed to die. When we built this place, it was just a stupid idea. A gimmick. Discretion is our guarantee. That's how it started, anyway. This was supposed to be our place. We were gonna be in charge for once, and nobody would try to control us or use us. That was the point. And the Crooked Man showed up, and everything just turned to shit.
So, do you get it now? Why I couldn't just... If you still think it's so fucking simple, then you do it. Go right ahead. Kill her then.
What are you doing?
Break the spell. Save the fucking day.
I'm not playing this game, Georgie. I won't kill her.
Don't talk about me like I'm not even here, please. You think this is hard for you? My life is such a fucking burden on your conscience. Don't I get a say? It's my life. Like it was either of yours to give up in the first place.
Vivian, I'm not gonna kill you.
I know that.
Wait.
I'm sick of everyone thinking that they can just do what they want with my life. I thought it would be different here. But it's all the fucking same.
Vivian, I didn't mean...
Do you think I wanted to be this person? What I did to Faith and Lily? To all of them.
Vivian, wait.
Every day I have to look Gwen and Hans in the
J'avoue,
eye and
Charlie.
pretend I don't care. I have to forget what I've done to them. What I took away from them. I look at Narissa and I hate myself.
Vivian.
I can't pretend anymore.
What are you doing?
Vivian, don't. Vivian,
Georgie.
no!
Oh yeah.
Fuck! No, 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 no! Why'd you have to do that, Vivian? Vivian! Shit!
No.
Damn it!
On a tranché dans le
Vivian,
vif du sujet.
I didn't fucking mean it. I was just... Oh.
Les mecs, vous êtes dégueulasses.
Oh, fuck!
Get up. Get
Up! Don't think so, Bigby.
Ah, il a carrément les entrailles ressorties, d'accord.
I'm gonna die here. I think
Bah
we
oui, tu vas
both know
clamser,
that.
mon gars.
Just make sure you give the crooked man the same treatment when you find him. Really fuck him up for me, alright? For both of us.
Il
You
sera
know
pire
the
en
bastard
état de
deserves
ça.
it.
He's gonna have it
Quand
worse.
est-ce qu'on fait ça,
Don't
Stitch?
worry.
Ouais, t'es pas gentil. Hein.
Good. Old foundry by the river, alright? Shepherd Metalworks. He'll be there. Fucking asshole. You wanna finish me off now? Or do you plan to kick me around a little first? Rip my limbs off one by one? That's what you wanna do, right?
Pas comme ça.
It's not who I am.
Sure it's not. No more games, alright? We both know how this ends.
Je vais juste achever, si je peux.
Just make it quick. I know what I did. Let's not
Je te
draw
tue.
this out.
Allez.
All right, Georgie.
Je crois qu'il y a un morceau de tribaille qui est parti derrière. Un sadique. J'aurais fait des criades avec des potes, moi. Ah. Qui veut de l'homme musclé? Et des tripes à l'ail. La Beauty and Pie est fermée pour raison exceptionnelle. Il ne réouvrira pas ses portes avant l'arrivée du nouveau propriétaire. Il n'y a rien à bouffer sur le corps de Stitcho, oublie, elle les mecs comme un coup. T'as fumé, toi? Je parlais pas de Stitcho. Il parlait de Georgie. Voilà.
Still warm. He's here, all right.
Bah oui qu'il est là. Baka. Tu croyais qu'il était où? Alors... on va rentrer, hein.
Of course.
J'ai cassé la poignée. Ah. Y a quoi là-bas? Hey, bonjour.
So this is where they've been sending these.
Et la lumière fait. C'est glauque quand même comme endroit, j'allais dire. Ou que j'aime pas ça. Ou que j'aime pas ça du tout. Du tout, du tout, du tout.
Bigby Wolf. The big bad wolf.
The big bad wolf. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
You used to be something.
Putain, la guerre, ça prenait vraiment en photo tout et n'importe quoi.
They used to fear you. They'd hide anywhere there's small shivering bodies with it.
J'aime pas beaucoup ça. Ah, c'est là qu'elle fabrique ces putains de balles en argent.
The big bad wolf.
The big bad wolf. Coucou.
It's about time you showed up.
I had to take care of some things first.
Little errand boy. That's nice.
Ah, Bigby. I see you made it here in one piece. I do apologize, but I have some business to attend to. I leave you in the capable hands of my associate.
Je sais pas, regarde dans ton miroir, appelle-la 5 fois, peut-être que tu l'auras. Ça peut marcher.
Get out of my way now. Don't make this worse.
Aw, he doesn't want to play.
I'm sure you'll persuade him.
Je te parle, connasse.
I'm talking to you.
Didn't your mother ever teach you manners? Or was she too busy fucking whatever breeze drifted through town?
Ouh, toi tu cherches vraiment la claque, ma poule. Tiens.
Oh, come on! Is that the best you can do?
Je me suis planté de touche. Tiens, prends une patate. Ah, c'est barré, ça te garce. Bloody Mary. Putain, elle se déplace vite la pute. On va aller là. Tu peux parler correctement, espèce de cougar impoli? Non mais oh. Je peux bouger? Ah ouais, je peux bouger. Ouais, je le sens mal. Genre, j'ai fait la touche et arrête de déconner, toi. Bah non, je fais les touches, ça marche pas, t'es sérieux?
Where are you? Come out and face me.
Oh, qu'elle est pas belle. Tu la veux toujours, Shoryuko? Pourquoi elle va me mettre des patates et moi j'ai pas le droit? Allez, spam, 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 spam. Désolée, je regarde pas trop ce que vous dites là pour l'instant. J'essaie de me concentrer. Ah ouais, quand même. Il y a un peu beaucoup de monde là. Elle. Je veux elle. voir le grand méchant. Oh, c'est beau ça! Oh yeah. Alors. Sans doute une orgie et là c'est badass. Elle a vu le loup. Ouais, tu m'étonnes qu'elle a vu le loup. Ça défoule, Big B. Ah ouais, il est mignon le toutou. Et le tordu, il a regardé ça tranquille pépère. Mais non, il n'était pas tout nu.
Bigby, you look tired.
Give me one good reason not to rip you apart right now.
This gun holds 6 rounds of spec.
Okay.
I won't miss next time. Before you do anything,
Bah, elle est pas là, la dame nue qui va
I
avec.
should point out a few things. Snow White wants you to bring me back to the woodlands, doesn't she? And that's what I want.
Snow's not here. You're dealing with me now.
That may be true, but I'd advise against defying your new boss, at least for the time being. You will bring me back alive. Look, all I ask for is the chance to speak for myself in front of the community. And I'm sure Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial. Can we at least agree on that? I will have a trial.
The whole town will be calling for your execution. Why would you want me to bring you back there?
Why don't you let me worry about that? Look, there's no reason for us to be at each other's throats here.
That's funny, coming from a guy pointing a gun at my head.
This is just a precaution. I'm sure you understand. I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf. I didn't kill those women. And I think you know that. All I'm asking for is a chance to explain my side of the story.
Je sais pas quoi dire.
I'm a businessman, not a killer.
There's still a lot you have to answer for.
And
Bonne
I
nuit, Néné.
will,
Bonne
as
nuit,
long
Néné.
as you
Non,
agree
d'accord.
to my terms.
Bonne nuit, Néma.
Because
Tu
I'm
feras un
not
bisou
saying
aussi à
another
celle qui
word
de ma
until I'm
part.
brought before the community.
Bosse bien demain.
And I don't think I'm being unreasonable. If you decide to do something stupid, like murder me, you won't get your answers. But you will have a difficult time explaining yourself to Miss White and the rest of this miserable town. You're often reckless, and I worry you're not thinking of the... Let me ask you an honest question. What do you really care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean. Do you really want the truth? Or do you just want to look like
Fableville.
a hero?
This is about protecting Fabletown. When some asshole murders 2 of our people, it's my job to bring them down.
Then why are you here? You know who murdered them. Georgie. He's dead, isn't he? My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
You really think I'm that stupid?
I understand you have an obligation to bring me in, but you can brighten up a little. It's over. So, shall we get going? I'd rather not dawdle. You know, I'm actually looking forward to seeing Miss White again.
Allez, on y va.
All right, let's go. Hand over the gun.
I think I'd rather hold on to it, if you don't mind. What do you say? Hey! I'm sure Miss White will be pleased. Such a reliable pup. I understand why she'd want to keep
J'ai
you
promis
around.
que j'allais pas...
You're under
J'allais
arrest.
pas te tuer, que j'allais rien
You'll
faire.
be given a trial in front of your peers.
J'aurais bien
Your
voulu le tuer, mais j'ai
punishment
promis
will
à Blanche de pas
follow.
le faire. M'en fous, j'ai tué Bloody Mary. C'est le principal. Succès déverrouillé, ma dernière cigarette. Ok.
I know. But we have to do something.
Are you
Ouais,
fucking
je sais
kidding
que
me?
j'aurais dû
Is this thing
buter, mais
happening?
j'ai promis à
Sure,
Blanche
he's
de
coming?
pas le faire.
Yes, you'll have an opportunity to.
Regarde,
He's
avec
back.
contente Blanche.
Crooked man.
Thank God.
Tu vas devoir y jouer pour le faire toi-même.
Motherfucker.
Ah bah si tu veux, je referai la scène hors live pour voir ce que ça fait.
Are you okay? It's been hours. We were worried you'd run into some trouble
Je vais bien.
at the Crooked
T'inquiète pas,
Man's
Blanche.
place.
It's nothing. I'm fine.
I guess you've been worse. You did well, Sheriff. I'm surprised. Not that you did well, but that, you know. I'm just glad you made it back in one piece.
It's about time you showed up. Now throw this asshole down the fucking well.
Yes, what are you waiting for?
You killed Lily!
She was my sister.
Could
What do you have to say for
Where the
yourself?
fuck do you get off?
Poor
You
girl.
think you have the right to
What
just
about
do this
me?
to people?
They have
You're a
done
fucking
deserve
crook!
This. You should be ashamed.
Shithole.
Everyone, can I have your attention? Thank you all for coming here on such short notice. I know normally we'd schedule a formal hearing, but considering the circumstances, I thought it best if we do this as soon as possible. The Crooked Man is charged with the murder
As
of
I
Faith
already
and...
informed your sheriff, it was Mr. Georgie Porge who killed those women, not me.
What? It was Georgie?
Georgie?
I don't mean to interrupt you, Miss
Tu as
White.
donné l'ordre.
Georgie may have killed them, but you made the call.
Do I have to explain the situation to you again?
Wait a minute. So you're saying Georgie's the
pour violer Blanche
motherfucker
et
who
tuer le
killed
tordu.
my sister? Well, where is he?
Yeah, you're gonna bring that shithead in too, aren't you?
Yes, Sheriff. Where is that rotten scoundrel now?
Is he still out there?
I sincerely hope not. Well, where is he?
Sheriff?
Don't worry about it. It's done.
Justice has already been dispatched. Bigby executed him.
He's... what?
dead. So you
Mais je
see,
l'ai pas
the
tué,
culprit has
enfoiré.
been punished. There's no
That
need
doesn't
for
change
this.
anything. We'll deal with it later, but right now, you're the one I'm concerned with.
You called the shots. Georgie made that perfectly clear.
In which case, you still have a lot to answer for.
I
And
was
I
told
don't...
I would be allowed to speak.
We have to read the rest of the charges.
What other charges?
If you'd wait a moment.
I'm well aware of my rights, Miss White. Unless you plan to abandon the charter entirely.
Fine. Go right ahead.
Wait, that's not how this works. After the rest of your crimes are read through, then you will have an opportunity to defend yourself, but only then.
If you insist.
You are charged with the murder of Faith and Lily, which Georgie carried out on your order, inciting violence against various members of the Fabletown community, including the attempted murder of Sheriff Bigby Wolf.
Twice.
A misunderstanding.
Aiding and providing monetary support for the forced prostitution at the Pudding and Pie. Additionally, you are charged with multiple counts of fraud, extortion, racketeering, and the illegal possession and sale of magical artifacts.
And resisting arrest.
Oh, yes. Now, is there
T'as
anything
pas tout
you would
suivi?
like
Non
to say?
mais laisse tomber chou. Des fois
First
faut
of
pas
all,
suivre.
I had nothing to do with Faith and Lily, so you can strike that one from your little record book.
Bullshit! Like hell you didn't.
Stop the charade. We know you're
Come on,
involved.
Laissez-le
it's obvious.
parler.
Everyone just shut up for a minute. You You wanted a chance to talk? Well, go ahead.
What?
We all know he's guilty. What the fuck does he need to speak for?
The Crooked Man has committed crimes against this government, and most importantly, its citizens. These charges, if proven, are enough to justify death, upon which your body will be committed to the witching
Where it
realm.
fucking belongs.
That's
So
right.
let's get on
but
with
we
it
promised
then.
you a chance to defend yourself, and I won't rob you of that right.
What the
You're
fuck?
really going
This
to
is
let him
about
talk?
justice. If we're ever going to pull ourselves together and make something of this town, we have to start doing things correctly. No more snap judgments, no more secrets. We are going to treat everyone fairly, even when they don't deserve it.
This is ridiculous.
You have the floor.
Thank you, Miss White. You've all met Georgie. I don't have to tell you what kind of person he was.
Toi, tu kills
He
paupières
was a
pendantes et
total
moi je viens
scoundrel,
blanche. C'est ça
lacking
le
in any
scénar.
sort of moral fiber. I hired him as a favor to his family, you see. A
Voilà
promise
qui vont se
kept to a
battre pour
dying
savoir
mother.
qui
Are you gonna
qui
get to your
tordu et
point
qui
or
viole
what?
Blanche. Franchement, les mecs, hein,
Georgie was working for me, yes. But he was not acting on my behalf when he killed those women. It was his business. And for whatever reason, I'm sure only he could understand, he murdered 2 of his most faithful employees. I had nothing to do with it.
Tell the fucking truth for
Georgie's
once.
always been a bit
c'est
of
pas
a
ce que Georgie a
pansy.
dit.
Georgie seemed pretty convinced he didn't have a say in the matter.
He clearly misunderstood my intention.
Really?
I would never authorize such an act.
Any of you actually believe this bullshit?
Holly, please.
On
Tell
zève
me,
de
Bigby,
Blanche, moi je veux
when you
pas,
finally
j'entends
showed up at my door last night, wasn't I more than helpful?
Qui
I answered your
salopard.
questions. I was willing to cooperate.
What's he talking about?
C'est
You
un
weren't being
piège.
helpful. You were trying to set me up. Your
Bon,
people
sujet,
tried to
alors, moi,
kill
je suis
me.
le script, lol.
They get a bit carried away sometimes, it's true. Loyal to the end. They do it because they want to protect me, as I protected them. You understand wanting to protect what you care about, don't you?
Oui,
You'd
je
do
sais ce qu'il me
anything.
dit, t'inquiète pas, Sherlock.
You might even give up an innocent man, just to save someone.
I think
pense
you're
que t'as
done
fini, là.
talking.
What are you afraid of? Why not let an old man say his piece? Let me explain this to you. My employees are just that, hired help. I see some of them are here among you. They are not my slaves. They are all free to make their own decisions, as Georgie was.
What about Lily? She wasn't free. She wasn't given a choice. Do you really think she wanted... that any of those girls wanted their lives like that?
I'm sorry, Holly. I'm sorry that your sister asked me for help, and I'm sorry that I decided against my better judgment to give her a distasteful job.
Right, and you kept them in debt so they couldn't leave.
Yeah. That's what you did to us. How you kept us all
You
in line.
forget it was not me who put you in that position. You all act like I'm some kind of tyrant. When your government abandoned you, left you poor and helpless, sniveling on street corners, I was there to
C'est
look out for
écoutez, de toute
you.
façon, je fais juste au bas en boucle, moi.
Yes, but
Wasn't I?
C'était
Crane
Crane.
was the one who let this town go to the fucking dogs. The guy who was in your pocket, remember?
Really? What about Auntie Greenleaf? Her story is not
Il
uncommon.
m'énerve le tordu, j'ai
She
envie de lui
left
mettre une patate dans la
everything
bouche.
she had back in the homelands. Everything that matters, anyway. With nowhere else to turn, she came to me for help. And what did I do for you?
You got my tree back.
I got her tree back, and in turn we used her magic to help poor Fables get glamours. Because I helped her, she was able to
pour
make a
la
living, provide for herself.
Les
And
mecs,
what did they do?
For the longest time, not much, but they asked me to come work for them.
Really? The new deputy mayor wants you on the 13th floor?
No. The wolf offered me the job. She wanted my tree destroyed. If she had her way, I'd be hung out to dry on a clothesline by now.
What?
What?
You were gonna burn her tree? Snow, why would you want
Ce
that?
n'est pas la faute de
Don't blame
Blanche.
Snow. She had her reasons. Greenleaf was using her magic to help Crane and the Crooked Man. That's why Snow wanted your tree burned.
That's not why.
It wasn't her fault.
You can
Moi,
lie to
trouver le
yourself,
tordu
but you
badass,
can't
t'es
lie to
fou.
me. You hated Crane, and you hated him for wanting to fuck you, and you being too soft to notice what he'd do to get it. It had nothing to do with the Crooked Man.
Comment
We've
tu
made some
vas?
mistakes. I've made some mistakes. But believe me, I truly want what's best for this town. And that may not always be clear right away. But I want you all to know that I care deeply about all of you. And so does the sheriff.
Yeah, right.
I can't promise you perfection. No one can. But I can promise to always have your best interests at heart.
Maybe you haven't noticed, but we've been doing all this to protect you.
Bah
We're
écoute, ça
trying to
va et
stop
toi?
people like him.
The crooked man's been exploiting
C'est
you.
gentil de passer faire un
Exploiting
petit
your
coucou.
hope for a better life. You would go to him for help, and he would take that weakness and add it to his strength.
He took Faith and Lily from us. And while we can never get them back, we can certainly punish who's responsible.
They're right.
You're all still afraid of him, even now. But you needn't be. His contamination of this town is over, and those girls will have their justice.
Very good, very good. The sentiment is surely appreciated, Miss White. But it doesn't disguise the fact that these accusations are completely unfounded. The sheriff simply doesn't have a particle of evidence linking me to the murder.
Georgie was
loupé des
working for
trucs,
you.
hein, Louloute,
Bigby got a
franchement.
A
confession that...
confession that nobody heard. Now,
T'aurais été là,
I'm
t'aurais
no
kiffé.
barrister, but I think such a statement would carry more weight if Bigby weren't the only one to whom Georgie spoke. Especially given Bigby's history.
What are you talking about?
Snow?
And what about your history? All you've done to this fucking town.
What do you mean there's no evidence?
Vu comment ça se
Maybe-
finit ces
maybe
vidéos, j'avais
he's-
trop les boules.
I mean, this doesn't feel right, how we're doing this. I just
Of
need...
course it's right. This man tormented all of you for profit. Georgie
Let me
killed
just
them.
make sure I understand you. You're trying to say that I'm responsible for what Georgie did because he was working for me at the time, yes?
Yes.
Of course.
Où voulez-vous
Where
en
are you
venir?
going with this?
Well, by that logic, Miss White should be on trial for Tweedledum's murder, since you know Bigby works for her.
That's...
Oula, l'enfoiré.
He killed a man,
That don't make him a murderer.
doesn't it?
What happened with Tweedledum wasn't Snow's fault. If you all want to blame someone, blame me. She had nothing to do with it.
Bigby and I have already discussed his behavior that night. We're handling it
Now, where
internally.
have I heard that before? How about the way he treated poor Tweedledee when he was in your custody? He was beaten to mashed apples while under your watch.
Under my watch.
Maybe he's right.
Did you think we'd all just let that go?
You can't be serious.
That was different.
N'était pas
Snow had
impliqué.
nothing to do with it. We all thought she was dead.
Besides, Crane was still deputy mayor when that happened. Right before you decided to kidnap him.
It was for his own
On
protection.
va essayer de se faire blanche.
Oh, you're right, dear.
Je vous le dis.
Crane was in charge. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference.
That's enough.
So, you won't answer for your employees' behavior, but I must perish for
This
mine.
is completely different.
I
We all...
did not order those two girls dead. It simply never happened. Georgie killed Faith and Lily. End of story. They want to scapegoat me for their own tangled ends, but they refuse to answer for their own
This
crimes.
isn't right.
Oh, please.
This isn't the point.
We'll deal with them after we deal with you.
Listen, I
The
know...
laws
Calme.
apply when we need them.
Calme.
Everyone calm down. This isn't
I
the
mean, a
reason we're
certain level
here.
of privilege should be afforded to
To who?
This is how it's always been.
This is what I'm talking about. We lashed our ropes to this diseased
T'as raté
world,
la scène où
and
il
ever
se la fait
since,
sous la douche.
which one of us has been there for
Oh,
you?
sérieux.
Who filled
Ah.
your lives with the promise of more? Who was there while they idly played in their towers, judging you, treating you as mindless children, too stupid to command your own destiny? Without me,
Vous êtes méchants,
who
les
will pay
mecs.
your rent when you're on the verge
Les
of
écoute pas,
eviction?
Louloute. C'est pas vrai.
Who will dare challenge their brutality when it leaks to our dear citizens? Who will protect you from the big bad wolf? Who will be the...
Bigby! Miss White!
Elle arrive pile à l'heure, elle.
Excuse me, dear.
I wanted to make sure I had the chance to say something.
Why don't you take a moment to catch your breath, little
What's
one?
she doing here?
I'd like to... I need to say something.
We're kind of in the middle of something.
Bluebeard.
Of course. Go right ahead.
You probably don't remember me. I don't know why I was afraid to come
My
here.
dear, I don't
Just
know
shut up. You enslaved us for years. Let us hear stories about what you do. Told us we would lose everything if we stepped just one toe out of line. And we couldn't say a word about it because of these damn ribbons. But you know what? Now it's my turn to talk.
How are you?
I found Vivian's body. Did you kill her? Did he?
Sheriff, this is highly irregular.
Be quiet.
We need to establish some order here.
Vivian killed herself. Back at the Pudding and Pie.
I'm sorry, I don't think I know
Nerissa!
your-
My name is Nerissa.
It's okay,
Attention,
my
la
dear.
petite sirène va
It's
s'énerver.
going to be just...
He ordered them dead. This fucker. Faith and Lily.
That's a lie.
I was in the goddamn room when he did it. Faith and Lily are dead because of you. The only two people who ever gave a damn about me.
And this just confirms it.
He made Georgie do it. It was always him. Georgie would have never done anything without his say-so. Ever.
You're going to take the word of a stupid...
At least 5 other girls will back me up on this. We all heard you say it.
Did you now?
Looks like we found our evidence.
She saw it firsthand.
He's guilty.
Good enough for me?
Me too.
Tu crois pas, Nerissa?
Calm down the witching well.
Nah, that's too fucking easy for a crook like that.
What do you mean?
He's gotta pay for what he did.
Listen to yourselves!
You're all rats, fleeing from one sinking ship to the next. So quick to latch onto whatever will keep your miserable lives afloat. This is how you want to repay all I've done for you.
What, you take 2 people's lives away and now you want mercy?
You know we can't let you go free after this.
What did you expect to happen here? You're getting what you deserve.
Well done, then.
Now, for your sentence.
We don't have to become murderers.
What are you talking about?
He's guilty. I know that, but we don't have to kill anybody. We can imprison him. Lock him up forever. Somewhere he can never hurt anyone again.
How can we be sure he won't escape?
I can help. We'll use magic.
That's not good enough.
Maybe
There will
she
be
has
more
a point.
if he isn't
Hasn't
stopped.
there been
I
enough
don't give a shit.
bloodshed
So we
already?
get rid of
Too
him.
dangerous.
Get him out of here.
We can send him
Everyone,
away.
listen up! Clearly, we're having trouble agreeing on a suitable punishment. So I think
This is going nowhere.
someone needs to make a decision.
Who?
I hope you
On
aren't
va laisser
suggesting
Blanche
yourself.
décider.
Look, Snow should decide what we do with him. She's gonna be the deputy mayor,
But
so...
she's not the deputy mayor yet.
What about Bigby?
What about him?
He was appointed. He's the only official representative, really. He should be the judge.
That makes sense to me.
I guess it does.
Okay.
Are you sure? This isn't how
It's what the people want, Miss White.
Okay, Mr. Wolf, it's your call.
Snow,
Just do what you think is right.
Yes, Sheriff.
Ouais. Il va me falloir une cigarette. Donc, si on résume, Georgie a tué les 2 filles. Georgie nous a dit que c'était le tordu qui lui avait donné l'ordre. Le tordu, il a fait des pieds et des mains pour nous dire que pour finir, non, c'était pas lui, que Georgie avait fait ça en dehors de son consentement. Nerissa qui arrive comme une fleur, comme on dit, nous dit qu'elle a tout entendu et qu'il y a 5 filles qui peuvent être témoins de ce qui s'est passé. Du coup, tout le monde le croit coupable. Non, je vais pas m'embrouiller sur Yoku. J'essaye de me remettre les idées en place là, justement. Parce que c'est vous qui m'embrouillez en fait en me disant oui, je crois pas à Nerissa, je commence à croire le tordu, et tout comme vous venez de dire sur le chat. Donc c'est pour ça que je fais aussi par rapport à ce que vous me dites. Donc, moi, je ne sais pas... Je sais pas, ça m'embrouillait déjà la première fois que j'ai vu le playthrough dessus. Et là, que maintenant, c'est moi qui y joue, ça m'embrouille encore plus. Donc, Georgie les a tués sous le consentement. Faut l'enfermer pour qu'il pourrisse tranquillement dans sa cage. Ouais! Moi, je serais d'avis de l'enfermer, oui, c'est sûr. Je serais d'avis de l'enfermer parce que, justement, pour l'instant, je crois pas... Je suis comme vous, je me méfie de ce qu'elle a dit quand même, Nerissa. Après, je suis d'avis aussi de le jeter dans le puits, ou de lui arracher la tête, comme c'est proposé là. Parce que justement, il a quand même prémédité des meurtres. Même si c'est sans le vouloir. Et si Georgie, il a fait ça sans son consentement. Donc ce qu'on va faire, c'est que c'est vous qui allez décider. Mais franchement, va falloir. Oups, et il est minuit 2, c'est ça, je commence à bafouiller. Il va falloir vraiment vous mettre d'accord sur le sujet. Savoir qu'est-ce que vous pensez réellement. Bon, Shoryoku, toi je suis en train de le voir là sur le chat, toi tu voudrais le mettre dans le puits directement. Mais pour les autres, vous en pensez quoi? Toi Loulou, tu voudrais l'enfermer. Pourquoi? Déjà Shoryoku, ouais, toi tu voudrais le mettre dans le puits, pourquoi? Parce que tu crois vraiment en ce que Nerissa elle a dit? Ou juste parce que ouais, vas-y, j'ai envie de le mettre dans le puits, c'est bon quoi. Et toi Louloute c'est pareil, est-ce que tu veux l'enfermer parce que tu crois ce qu'il a dit du coup du fait qu'il est pas vraiment coupable des 2 meurtres ou quelque chose comme ça, enfin je sais pas si j'arrive à me faire comprendre là sur le sujet. Non, car ça le garde en vie. Oui mais tu dis ça Shoryoku, mais c'est pareil, si tu l'enfermes ça le garde en vie aussi. Louloute, car j'aime pas sa gueule et vu qu'il y a des doutes, autant le garder pour être sûr. Ouais, t'es un peu du même avis que moi, quoi. Mais bon, après justement, ouais, pas faux, autant le garder en vie pour le violer. Oh, Shoryoku. Oncle Chou, tu en penses quoi? Putain, appelle-moi Méné ou Chouchou. Désolé, je lis les pseudos. Ok, ça marche. Je t'appellerai plus Shoryoku alors. Donc oncle Chou, tu en penses quoi toi? Tu es le seul à pas avoir donné ton avis. Dis-moi tout. J'ai arrêté de penser depuis l'abolition de la peine de mort. T'es con. Non mais sérieusement, il faut me dire là, il faut m'aider. J'ai besoin de votre aide. Sachant moi ce que je viens de vous dire, qu'est-ce que vous penserez qu'il serait mieux à faire? Mais perso, j'y arrache la tête. Ok, donc on n'est pas dans le bras. Entre Chouchou qui veut le mettre dans le puits, Louloute qui veut l'enfermer, et toi qui veux lui arracher la tête, je fais quoi? Bon, on garde en vie, Chou, viole Blanche, moi je viole Stitcho et on brûle le cadavre de paupières pendantes. T'as de ces idées, franchement. Bon, on l'enferme, d'accord. Alors Chouchou, t'es pour l'enfermer. Louloute, tu es toujours pour l'enfermer ou pas? Alors en premier, t'arraches la tête, ensuite tu le jettes dans le puits et tu enfermes la tête. Je peux pas ça, oncle Chou, je peux pas. C'est pas possible. Non, je suis pas d'accord. Oui, on l'enferme. Ok. Donc j'en ai 2 pour on l'enferme. Et 1 pour lui arracher la tête. Désolé, oncle Chou. T'es le maillon faible. Allez, on va l'enfermer alors.
What you think is right.
Teach him a fucking lesson.
Voilà.
Everyone, I'm...
Not this way.
Ok. Pof.
There you are. I hope you all remember this moment. Think of
La
me.
tête Miluka. Bon, là, vous avez encore le choix. Donc, maintenant, vu ce qu'il a fait. Vu que je voulais encore être clémente, enfin, on voulait encore être clément. Vous vouliez tous être clément pour l'enfermer. Voilà. Maintenant qu'il a essayé carrément de me foutre moi-même dans le puits, vous voulez le mettre où? Alors, Loulou, tu es pour le puits. Oncle Chou, tu es pour la tête. Chouchou, tu es pour la tête. Miluka, tu es pour quoi? Alors, j'en ai 2 pour la tête et j'ai Loulou pour le puits. Moi, du coup, vu ce qu'il a fait, je serais bien pour le puits. Quand même. Donc, Miluka, ça va être à toi de nous départager. Miluka, la tête. Eh ben, voilà. Désolé, Louloute, hein, mais on pourra pas le mettre dans le puits. On va y arracher la tête.
When you try to sleep. You know, just between us, I was gonna let you live. But now...
You're going to miss me.
No, I won't.
Attention les yeux.
What are you?
Sheriff, don't! Oh my god!
Et voilà. Bon allez, je vais vous laisser. Bonne nuit, bonne soirée, gros bisous. Ça marche, Louloute, merci d'être passé. Bisous et bisous aussi à Psy. Oh les Fab, ils vont m'en vouloir de lui avoir arraché la tête.
For Lily and Faith.
Fableville a peur du grand méchant loup.
Yes.
My God!
Another one of us to erase from the books.
Techniquement, on l'a mis dans le puits, mais je lui ai arraché la tête. Vous êtes sadique quand même. Bande de sadiques. What? Bon. Ok, c'est quoi ça? Ça veut dire quoi ça? Arrête, t'as kiffé ça. Ouais, mais bon, non, j'aurais peut-être pas dû. J'ai plus de choix possible. LOL. Ah, le jeu. Le jeu a planté, je peux plus rien faire. Alors vous saurez que quand on arrache la tête, on peut plus
Did
rien
I
faire.
miss anything good? Well, look at you, all fixed up.
T'es sérieux? En fait, j'aurais pas dû lui arracher la tête. Donc, ils nous font recommencer à la scène principale pour nous faire changer des choix.
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Oh God. This way.
Bon, on va faire ça et après on arrête là. On reprendra au prochain live. Non, c'est pas que le jeu a bugué, c'est que je pense que en fait j'aurais pas dû lui arracher la tête, j'aurais dû l'enfermer. J'aurais dû l'enfermer, donc là le jeu me permet de recommencer là où j'ai merdé. Parce que quand tu regardes bien, si t'as suivi, au début t'as Bloody Mary qui me dit ouais vous revoilà comme neuf et tout, machin. Pas des personnages fantômes. Mais non, regarde. C'est parce que Georgie et Viviane, ils sont morts de base. Donc ce scénario-là de l'histoire était bon, en fait.
What am I gonna do now, eh, Vivian? What the fuck do you expect me to do? Shit. I didn't mean for this to happen. Everything just got so fucked. What were we supposed to do?
Je pense que c'est ça.
It's all over now anyway. No point in moaning about it, I guess.
Ou ça a vraiment planté. Ouais, bah laissez tomber. Hein, je vais essayer de voir ça hors live, ce que ça donne. Ce qu'on va faire, c'est que voilà, je vais arrêter l'enregistrement pour YouTube.